How to remove YouTube Shorts on desktop and mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube in any browser. After you're in the homepage of YouTube, scroll down, you'll find Shorts. There, you'll find three dots beside Shorts. Click on it and click on Show Fewer Shorts. And after you do that, it will simply stop showing you some shorts. Now, to do that on your mobile, what you need to do is simply open YouTube, go to the home page, repeat the same process, go to Shorts, click on the three dots, and click on Show Fewer Shorts. If you find it, you can also click on it and press on Not Interested. Also, note that doing this will only temporarily remove shorts as there is currently no way to remove them altogether. You may have to repeat this process if shorts appear in your YouTube feed, and even after doing this, you may still see shorts in search results or in your feed. And this is how to remove YouTube Shorts on desktop and mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.